Huashan Fuyin Welding Equipment Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in researching, designing, and manufacturing of welding and automatic equipment for many years. We adhering to the advanced machinery expertise, specializing in the production and customization of various welding equipment and hardware production automatic equipment. Our company is found in 1999 called FUDA Hardware and Electric Appliance Factory and upgrade to be Huashan Fuyin Welding Equipment Company Limited in 2009. That we have more than 20 years design and production experience of machines. Our main products are spot welding machine, projection welding machine, butt welding machine, seam welding machine, automatic welding machine, welding robot workstation, and various automatic wire bending machine, ring making machine, buckle making machine, chain making machine, wire straightening and cutting machine, etc. We could offer the whole production line of fan guard making equipment, water tank making equipment, dog cage making equipment, bird cage making equipment, wire basket making equipment, wire mesh making equipment, water sink making equipment, etc. Our business concept is the better world, the better tomorrow. So our design and production concept is environmentally friendly, high efficiency, energy efficient. We are committed to help customers create faster, better production lines. Then we move towards common prosperity. Our products are sale well throughout in our country and dozens of countries on 5 continents. Hope we have chance to build a good cooperation relationship in the future. Make great achievement together.